use it, you tend to forget it. So
Yeah.
me, I'm not a native speaker. I've never been to a native English speaking country like the US, Canada, Australia. I've never been out. Oh well, I've been outside of the Philippines, but within Asia only. But my students would always ask me, how come you speak English fluently? Number one, because I'm an English major. It's what I do. I teach English all the time. I also use English at home with my kids and even with some Filipinos. Filipinos, even if they don't go to school, they can speak in English.
Wow.
And that's why in our constitution in the Philippines, English is considered one of our major languages. So we have two major languages, Filipino and English. But we don't
Mm.
sound like native speakers, but we use English as a major means of communication. So, why am I telling you this? Because I want you to use English every day. But I don't have no one to talk to in English. You can talk to your dog. You can talk to the wall. I don't care what you do. You can talk on your own. One of the tricks that I do is talk to myself. So people call me crazy sometimes.
I
Care
got it.
what they say? Yeah, it's what we call mirroring in
Yeah.
ESL. In
I heard
ESL,
I heard I heard someone will train by themselves with the
yeah.
wall or mirror.
Yes, that's correct. It's a strategy for learning a language. And actually, what I have in where is my mirror? I usually have a mirror when I talk because I see the opening of my mouth. Like there. And it's a simple technique, especially with my Asian students like Japanese. They have a difficulty opening their mouths because they don't do it in their language. So when they open their mouths, it's very similar to you. Like you have to practice opening it wide. Can you
And
do that?
I observed that situation Japanese is quite afraid to speak English.
Right. But how about you? Are you afraid of speaking in English?
Um, I just lack of confidence.
You're not confident? It's
Yeah.
okay. In IELTS, I tell you, I have so many students when we train them, they're at level 4 or level 5. But when they take the test, when they get their results, they're so surprised. Anna, I got 7. And they will all go, "Oh, why did you get 7? We're so excited." It's because they showed confidence using the language. They
Mm,
don't care if they make mistakes. They don't care if their grammar is poor. They don't care if their pronunciation is bad. They talk like Anna, very talkative.
I see.
Yeah, you see me? I talk a lot, right?
Yeah.
The reason I'm demonstrating this to you is because I want you to do the same. Oh, Anna told me I should talk a lot. Answer the question, explain, there should be an end. Also, first of all, second, lastly, for example, in my experience, however, but all those things I want to hear when you speak.
Okay.
Okay, let's try. By the way, this class is recorded automatically by Amazing Talker. So you
Yeah.
have the option to download if you want, okay, and
Yeah, I
listen to
know.
it again. Okay, because I don't know. I didn't know. Now I know. All right. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Oh, by the way, we're going to go back to your reading. There's something that we have to
Yeah.
discuss, okay? Something that you probably missed